Hi Titans, this is Miss Downing, your librarian. I just wanted to give you a refresher on how to access our Destiny website so that you can look at our ebooks as well as our audiobooks. There are two ways you can access it. You can go to library, click on resources, and then click on Follett Destiny. And then I'm already logged in, but it would give you a login screen. Let me log out. So you're going to want to log in, which is in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to want to click on the NISD My Portal. And then I'm automatically logged in. You're not really going to want to look at the recently added books because those are actual books in our library. But if you scroll down further, you can see that we have ebooks and we also have audiobooks. You can tell whether they're in or whether they're out. In the upper left-hand corner, it will show you those. If you scroll to the right, you can also see all of the audiobooks that we do have available. You can also filter them over here on the left-hand side. So that's one way that you can access our books from Destiny so that you have something to read during these remote learning, distance learning times that we have. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will be here to help you with your needs for your assignments, whatever I can do to help you during this time. Stay safe. Bye, Titans.